Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The markets are recovering, and I want to take time to talk about Kaspa in this video, right? We're having some big kind of steam coming out of what's going on with Kaspa. I also want to talk to you a little bit about the recovery that they've seen, hitting the all-time high for the third time this month. Well, I shouldn't say this month, but for the third consecutive month, Kaspa has reached an all-time high. We're going to be talking about it. I know that we are trading at levels that are kind of down from these all-time highs, but I still want to bring it to your guys' attention because I'm not really sure why the markets reacted so bad. You look at Bitcoin when we were at this recent 55,000 level in times past. This is when we were being extremely greedy, okay? And now we're 55,000, and there's extreme fear in the market. So two different scenarios, but same result. So I want to take the opportunity to kind of explain a lot of things. Let's get down into it, guys. Make sure you subscribe once again if you have not already done so, and please remember this is not financial advice, okay? But let's talk about the crypto bubbles because you can see this recovery, okay? Look at across the board. These are the top 100s. Everything is rebounding very, very nicely. We can talk about Kaspa, and I'll bring that up right here for you guys so you can see what's going on with Kaspa. 22nd market cap, okay? And here we are at 16 cents. That was a great buying opportunity. We're up 15.2% on the day, and we just started. But coming back after that daily low where Kaspa over the last week was having a low point of 13 cents, 12 cents, even 12.6 here back on August 5th. That's a huge, huge gain. I mean, that's almost like 30% in one day that you could have made if you would have bought at this 12.6 level just very briefly on August 5th at around 9 o'clock, 9:30 Eastern time. So that's just food for thought. That's why it's very important not to be emotional, stay the course, and you just have to relax because if you trust the process, understand why the market sold off. I think we were running just a little too hot, and I think that correction was kind of, with that coupled in with the recession concerns as well as what we have going on in the Middle East, possible World War III. Somebody says that on the internet, and then everybody panics. So that's kind of just what comes down to. All right, but let's get back into Kaspa. Like I said, we hit for the third month, we've hit a new all-time high. That's where this was back on August 1st. Okay, we hit 20 cents, almost 21 cents. The demand was back, and then all of a sudden, boom, Bitcoin sells off and everything else does. But Kaspa's chart is extremely bullish. They have not experienced a bull run yet, and now this is the bigger narrative here where, if Bitcoin rebounds, I think Kaspa is still going to move up. I think we're going to get back to 20 cents. But the biggest story that we have for you today is that the Kaspa mining on the Binance pool, will this indicate that we finally get a Kaspa listing? Now, some interesting things with Binance. Binance US will be discontinuing services, I think, in September for US traders. So that's going to kind of have an effect. But if we do get Binance, will we get then Coinbase? All right, that's two huge questions for Kaspa. But as they officially launch the Binance's native pool for the Kaspa network mining service, does not guarantee a token listing on Binance, which I don't understand why. But within this, it's a zero fees Kaspa mining promotional period from today till November 5th. They've introduced Kaspa futures, but the spot market has left unlaunched. And that's kind of the big story of the day. So from this mining pool, will we get a Kaspa listing on Binance? Will Coinbase be next? Those are two of the most bullish questions that we could be asking ourselves right now as we look to trade Kaspa and really get back and rebound to these 20 cents levels where we continue to set new all-time highs. I think that's the biggest story right here, right now. All right. You look at the RSI data with a lot of these cryptos, 29.44. We're oversold. All right. We need to get back above these moving averages to keep this momentum going. But for Kaspa, let's wake the bulls up. Let's get back over 20 cents. And I think that as we get that Binance listing, and if we get the Coinbase listing on top of that, this is something that's going to be a huge, huge driver, and I think can really propel Kaspa into considerably a huge, huge upward swing. So keep that in mind. Food for thought. A little quick video update with my thoughts on Kaspa as we get into the week even further. If Binance listing comes, that's going to be a big one, guys. So make sure you stay tuned for more updates. Turn on that notification bell. Subscribe down below. Smash that like button. All that good stuff. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.